Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 4, step 2 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. This is the Revenge of the Shim Sham part, step 2. So if you haven't yet learned the original Shim Sham, part 1, steps 1 through 4, I recommend watching those first, learning the base of the Shim Sham before learning the variations. And then I would learn, part 2 and then part 3 and then finally get to part 4, because part 4 is the one with the hardest rhythms. It builds on part 1 and we want to make sure we have that foundation before going on to all the variations. So you can find those linked in my description box below under the Shim Sham Shimmy playlist. And let's go ahead and get started here. So this is part 4, step 2. So this is the crossover section. So we just ended the Shim Sham section. So right foot's free to go. We're gonna go step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, step. Okay, and they're not just gonna be regular step heels like this, right? We're gonna go out to the side and we're gonna kind of swivel them almost like a sugar. So this is how I learned it. You may find other people that teach it slightly differently. This is how I learned it. So we're going to swivel them like a sugar. So we're going to go step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, and then step, step. And I just like to do it as a ball change. But you can just do it in place. I just like the ball change because it kind of gives me a feel for where I'm headed. Where my feet should be in position, okay? So again, we have 3 step heels. 1, 2, 3, step, step. Then we're gonna go step, shuffle, hop, step, step. So it's almost like a crossing Irish. We're gonna step on the left foot, shuffle, hop, step, right, left, and then step out on the left, okay? So that, again, we just finished step, step. We're going to go step on the left, shuffle right, hop, step, and then one more step out on the left. Step, shuffle, hop, step, step. And then to finish it out here, we're going to go step, shuffle, hop, step. Right foot starts this time. Step, shuffles on the left. Hop, step is right, left, and then on the right foot, instead of just touching out, stepping out, we're going to do a stomp, stomp. So it's going to go step, shuffle, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Okay. So that section there again, it's step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the top of the crossover. This one happens a total of 2 times. So just like the Shim Sham happened twice in the Revenge of the Shim Sham, if you watched that video, that one happened twice. This one's also going to happen twice. So we're going to start from the step heels again. So we have our sugar step heels. We're going to go swivel 1, 2, 3, step, step, then step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Starting on the left step. And then we're going to do it one more time, starting on the right foot. Step, heel, sugars. 2, 3, step, step, and step, shuffle, hop, step. The reason we do the stomp, stomp is so that we're preparing for the tack Annie that's about to come in part 4, step 3. Okay? So let's try that again. Yeah, so we're actually going to start this one on 1. So let's give that a try a little bit faster here. So just like normal, I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to start step on 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, 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 shuffle, stomp, stomp, step, heel, step, 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 shuffle, stomp, stomp. Nicely done. Let's try it faster here. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, heel. Step, heel. Nicely done. A little bit faster. last time here, if I went too fast over anything, just go ahead and pause, rewind, slow down the video, and ask a question if you need to in the comment section below. Okay, here we go. Last time here, starts on 1, we're going faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step shuffle. Step heel. Nicely done. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a song or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comment section below. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.